Start பண்ணியாச்சு.
Good morning viewers, I am Saraswati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Technology in SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about the topic is Industrial IoT. The Industrial IoT is a one branch of Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is nothing but a interconnection of devices. It's nothing but a physical things. It may be a sensor, actuators, software and hardware that is embedded with the microcontroller that is used to exchange the data in between the network. In this IoT is mainly used for industrial applications. In the industrial application is along with the machine learning process, we have to provide the efficient processing of data, efficient automation, like that. My mentee Ashwin will continue the session. IIOT is along with the machine learning.
So today we are going to see about the IIoT plus machine learning in industrial application. So IIoT means, as ma'am said, it is industrial Internet of Things. We are using the smart sensors, connected devices and networks in the industry. For example, in a big industrial company, in a small device that it will be generating millions of data. So these data will be extracted from some sensors. So the data is extracted from sensors and it should get analyzed and to be maintained as a record. So for the purpose of extracting the data from the physical machine, the sensors are used. Here sensor is an Internet IoT device. So from that the data will be transferred to the cloud platform through the internet, the public network. And here the data will get analyzed and be generated as a report for the application. So this is a simple working of an IoT in industry. So along with ML we are going to see how these IIoT is applicable. So ML is nothing but machine learning. It is a branch of AI that enables computers to learn from the data. So the computer itself takes own decisions. So it learns from the data and improve the performance over time. So without manual checking, to avoid the manual checking process, we are enabling ML into our IIoT to take its own decision and without being explicitly programmed. So to avoid the manual function, this ML is being incorporated into the IIoT. So types of ML. So the first type is supervised ML. So data has input features and output is a label. So the input data is a feature. The input data is taken as a feature and the output is delivered as a label. So the example of the supervised learning is predicting house prices. So input size will be given. Based on the size and location, the house price will be fixed. So that is called as the supervised ML. So based on the input data, the features of the data will be taken as an input. Based on that, the criteria as an output will be fixed for the data. The second one is unsupervised model. So data has no label. So unsupervised model means data has no label. So model finds patterns, groups or structures. Example, customer segmentation in marketing. So anomaly detections in sensor. The example for this is anomaly detection in sensor. And the next type is reinforcement learning. Model learns by trial and error with feedback. So this is an efficient method because model learn with trial and error. So once it will be have a trial, if any error occurs, it will be taken as a feedback and again it will be get into the process and again it will be comes to the action. So this is one of the efficient way. Example, self-driving car, robots learning to walk. All these are the examples of reinforcement ML. And next is the steps involved in ML. There are 7 steps in ML. First one is the first step is data collection, data pre-processing, feature selection, model selection, training, evaluation and deployment. So data collection means getting the raw data. So as I said, the raw data is taken from the physical machines in the industry. So getting the raw data. So data pre-processing means the cleaning of data, normalizing the data. So cleaning, normalization, missing values, handling the missing values. All these, so avoiding the anomalies and redundancy are the data pre-processing methods. Next, features of the feature selection. So pick an input variable. So among the different types of data in the organized data or data table, we are fixing a data to use as a feature. So fixing a data as a feature. So fixing a data as a feature. And next one is model selection. Model selection means choosing an algorithm. After fixing the feature of feature data, we are choosing an algorithm to overcome the problem. So choosing an algorithm to solve the problem, we are doing the model selection process. Next one is training. Training means feed data to model to learn pattern. So we are feeding the data to learn. So we are training that model to act and overcome the problem. This is the training process. Next, evaluation. Once a process or a model get trained, we should get evaluated. So we are testing. Evaluation is nothing but testing the model. Next, deployment. Once after the test completed, the trained model is being selected as the best one, we will be deployed. Deployed is nothing but releasing the model. So releasing the model into the real world application. So these are the 7 steps involved in the ML along with the IIoT in the industry.